What's the meaning of calamine lotion? Calamine lotion. Calamine lotion.
Calamine lotion. Calamine lotion. Calamine lotion is a topical medication that is used to relieve itching and skin irritation caused by minor burns, insect bites, and other skin conditions. The lotion contains a combination of zinc oxide and iron oxide, which work together to soothe and protect the affected area of the skin. When applied to the skin, calamine lotion creates a cooling and drying effect that helps to reduce inflammation and promote healing. The lotion may also help to reduce the appearance of redness and swelling, providing relief from discomfort and itchiness. Overall, calamine lotion can be an effective treatment for a range of mild skin irritations.